Good day, everybody. So it is possible to use your Chromebook when you don't have access to Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google Drive and change a particular setting. You can get to Drive down here in your taskbar. I'm going to open up Drive and go to the Settings gear. Click the word Settings. And you want to make sure that next to the word Offline, you have a check in this box right here, and that is going to sync the documents that you're working on to be stored on your Chromebook so that you can open them when you don't have Wi-Fi. Once you have done that, you're basically ready to go. So let's show you how that would work. So when I have a document open while I have Wi-Fi, I'm at school and I have Wi-Fi, making changes to it, it's being synced to my Chromebook, and so I'll be able to open it offline. And so here's how we can check that. We're going to do this. We're going to go here, and I'm going to actually turn off my Wi-Fi. Use that switch right there. Turn off my Wi-Fi. All right, and now we're going to go to the files icon that is in your apps launcher. If you don't see it, we'll have to go here and look for it. It looks like that. I'm going to launch my files, and you can see that this particular document that I had open, I can still click on and open, but this one is grayed out. That means I can't. If I go and look in some other folders, I'll see a lot of things that I can't open because those things haven't been synced. But as long as I opened it at school recently, I'm going to be able to open it. And so even though I don't have Wi-Fi right now, I can still open that Google Doc and work on it. And then when I return to school or somewhere where I do have Wi-Fi, that's going to sync up and make everything the same. So let's turn the Wi-Fi back on. Did you know that you can actually save an entire web page to be able to access the information on the page when you're offline? So here we are on a live science web page that is about whale sharks. And I'm going to use this extension right here. It's called Save to Google Drive in order to save it so that I can read my web page when I am not somewhere where they have Wi-Fi. So the first thing that I need to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and get this extension. The way to do that is to go to your launcher, and you can see the Chrome Web Store right here. It looks like that little shopping bag. Click on that. And we're in the Chrome Web Store right now, and we're going to search for the extension Save to Google Drive. And here it is right here. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like in up near the Omnibox. And so you will see the words Add to Chrome. I already have it, which is why mine says Rate It. And then when you click Add to Chrome, it will install it, ask for some permissions, which you do need to say yes to, and then it'll be installed right where mine is here. The next thing that we need to do is change just a couple of settings inside of that so that you can see the entire web page when you save it. And so if you right click on that extension, click on Options, and you want to change a couple things here. You want to change this to be saving the entire web page. Otherwise, you just get one big picture of the web page. And so you want to choose HTML source. And you might want to change the folder that it's going into. I'm okay with this folder right here. I know where this folder is in my Google Drive, but if you want yours to go to a certain folder, this is where you can change that. So we've changed our settings and we're all ready to save the web page. So here we are on the web page that I want to save. I'm going to click the extension Save to Google Drive, and as you can see, it is uploading that file to Google Drive, and it's telling me that it put it in the offline use help folder, which is where I wanted it, and it's an HTML web page, which is exactly what I wanted to have happen. So there's one more thing that I need to do in order to make sure that I'll be able to see my web page when I'm offline. I need to again go to the launcher, go to Files, and find that web page. Here it is in my offline use help file. Find this web page, right click on it, and you want to put a check mark where it says available offline. Okay, so right click, check where it says available offline. And I see that check mark there now. And now I know that when I am away from the internet, I'll be able to open that up. So I'll go ahead and turn off my Wi-Fi. So I don't have any Wi-Fi right now. And here is my webpage that I saved to be able to view offline. And so I can just double click on it to open it. And there's the top of the web page. I didn't get that one image right there. I think it's a video image, which is why it doesn't copy over. But here is everything from the article, except again the videos that I can read while I am offline and away from the internet. And that's all there is to it.